Hi, my name is Chuck Wilkinson, Director of Marketing for Vacuum Instruments Corporation. What I'm going to go through today is an industrial leak test system for residential air conditioning coils. It consists of a 3-foot by 3-foot by 3-foot chamber representing roughly 29 cubic foot of volume. The product is loaded into the chamber. The operator connects the process fitting, closes the manual door, and initiates the cycle start. First step in the cycle is a product evacuation followed by a 500 psi proof charge with nitrogen. Upon completion of the proof charge, the product's re-evacuated and filled with 300 psi of helium, where a fine and gross leak check are done. Fine check has a sensitivity of 1.5 times 10 to the minus 5 cc's per second, or roughly 1/10 of an ounce of refrigerant per year. The other components in the system, the VIC MD490M industrial leak detector with inlet system, 20 CFM part evacuation pump, color touchscreen HMI display. It allows the operator to set up all the machine parameters as well as test results and information concerning the actual test. On the back side of the machine is the gas handling cabinet or charge cabinet. That features the helium charge valve, the helium recovery valve, part evacuation valve, the nitrogen proof valve, as well as a vent valve. These are all high conductance rack and pinion actuated ball valves. The chamber evacuation pump package consists of a 1450 CFM vacuum blower and a 450 CFM mechanical vane pump. The chamber evacuation is controlled by a 6-inch butterfly valve, which exposes the primary evacuation package to the chamber. You'll also notice a calibrated gas leak. On each cycle of the machine, the test is qualified against a known leak standard that matches the customer's reject limit. So rounding out the system is the main electrical cabinet. Houses the PLC processor as well as the motor controls and all the terminal blocks. And that concludes the presentation for the vacuum instrument industrial helium leak test system for residential air conditioning coils. Thank you.